Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you another circuit that I have constructed using various snap circuits. This circuit I call the speaker horn. The objective of this circuit is to show that the horn can also act as a speaker. This circuit uses a battery pack B1, a slide switch S1, a horn W1, and a Space 4 integrated circuit U3. Why is the battery pack B1 always used in any snap circuit? The answer is so electricity is allowed to flow through the circuit. However, on other snap circuits, there may be a hand crank in place of the battery pack. But I like to use batteries because it's easier. As you can see, there are four main parts to the circuit: the battery pack, the slide switch, the whistle chip, and the Space 4 integrated circuit. So, when the slide switch S1 is turned on, electricity will start flowing through the circuit, and it will activate the horn and the Space 4 integrated circuit. What happens then is the Space 4 integrated circuit is sending out information to this snap right here, which is sending the signal through the horn. So the horn is making the Space 4 IC sound. This circuit does not use the Space 4 IC's logic mechanism, so it just sticks to the sound of the bomb dropping. Also, the sound that you hear out of the horn W1 might be a little bit distorted and unusual sounding. But why? The answer is because the horn W1 is not supposed to be used as a speaker. So, when the slide switch S1 is turned on, electricity starts from the batteries and flows through the slide switch and through the 4. And then it can go through the horn W1 or the 3-snap wire. When it goes through the horn, it enters the Space 4 integrated circuit. Some of it goes out through this 2 and back to the batteries, and some of it goes out through this 2 and back to the batteries. Excuse me. When it goes through this 3, it basically does the same thing, except it's coming into the Space 4 integrated circuit in a different direction. This time it's coming through here. When it went through the horn, it went through here. So that's where the electricity flows through the circuit. Also, why doesn't the electricity go over to this snap right here? The answer is because it's not being used. And why is this 3 being used? The answer is, it is the main power source to the Space 4 integrated circuit U3. Without this 3, the circuit wouldn't do anything. So, this is what happens when you turn on the slide switch. The horn W1 is making the sound of the bomb dropping, which is being signaled by the Space 4 IC, like I showed you earlier. It's sending a signal through this snap, which is sending the electric signal through the horn, and it's making the horn sound like the Space 4 integrated circuit. And as you can hear, it does sound a bit distorted and rather annoying. But that's the best I could get it, because it's really not meant to be used as a speaker. So I'm basically using it as an improper way, but that doesn't mean it's going to blow up or anything, don't worry. So now electricity is flowing through the circuit. Why can't you see the electricity flowing through the circuit? The answer is because all the snap wires have coverings so you don't get electrocuted. When the slide switch S1 is turned off, all the electricity will stay in the battery pack, because the slide switch circuit is open, so the slide switch is preventing the electricity from going through the circuit. So what it's doing is it's trying to go through, but the slide switch is blocking it. It's not going to secretly go this way, because this goes to the negative side of the battery, which means when it goes to this 3, it goes back into the batteries. It can't go back out. Now we're going to turn off the slide switch to not waste the battery. Now you notice that everything in the circuit has stopped working, like I showed you earlier. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.